Good morning, students. This is Ankita Keshwani here. I am your computer teacher. So, students, as you know, before summer vacations, we have completed our two chapters. That is chapter number 1, Evaluation of Computer, and chapter number 2, Software and its Types. Okay. So, today I am going to start your new chapter, that is chapter number 3, Managing Files and Folders. Okay. Chapter number 3, managing files and folders. Managing files and folders. Okay. So let's start. Windows is an operating system. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. That act as an interface between the user and the hardware. Okay. So window क्या है? एक operating system है. ठीक है. So what do you understand by an operating system? An operating system is a type of system software which is needed to operate a computer. Okay. An operating system is a type of system software which is needed to operate a computer. An operating system acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. User means we. Okay. We are using a computer now. So user means we, and the hardware means computer hardware, that is mouse, CPU, monitor. Okay. It also manages the resources of a computer system. It also manages the resources of a computer system and provides common services for other software. It keeps track of information regarding creation, deletion, copy, and storage of files. Okay. It keeps track of information regarding creation, deletion, copy and storage of files. जो भी हम फाइल्स इसमें क्रिएट करते हैं, डिलीट करते हैं, कॉपी करते हैं, स्टोर करते हैं, मतलब फाइल्स कहाँ पे स्टोर है, कितनी फाइल्स स्टोर है, उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है, उसकी साइज कितनी, कितने एमबी का है, सो ये सब कौन मैनेज करता है? दैट इज मैनेज्ड बाय एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ओके. The first graphical user interface, GUI. Okay. So GUI stands for graphical user interface. Okay. The first graphical user interface edition of Windows featuring a new user interface, featuring a new new user interface was introduced in 1995. कब introduced हुआ था? 1995 में, and was called Windows 95. Okay. So the first GUI, graphical user interface edition of Windows featuring a new user interface was introduced in 1995 and was called Windows 95. So this is the first operating system of Windows. Okay. Windows 95. Increased uses of technology and continuous researches led to the development of advanced editions of Windows named as Windows 98. उसके बाद after Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows NT, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. The most recently released preview of Windows 8 is available for download in 14 languages. Okay. So Windows 8 is available for download in 14 languages. Okay. Not only in English, it available for download in 14 languages. Understand? So um, these are some technologies, these are some released version of Windows 9. So first one is Windows 95, then after Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows NT, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, 8 and Windows 10. Okay, so these are some released version of Windows. Okay, so the most recently released preview of Windows 8 is available for download in 14 languages, and that time I'm using Windows 10 in my laptop. Okay, now see फीचर्स ऑफ विंडोज 7. विंडोज 7 के फीचर्स देखेंगे. ठीक है, सो यू कैन सी हियर वेरियस वर्जन्स ऑफ विंडोज. विंडोज 8 कुछ इस तरह से दिखता है, विंडोज 7 एंड दिस इज विंडोज एक्सपी. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज विंडोज एक्सपी, विंडोज 7 एंड विंडोज 8. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड यू कैन सी हियर this is about Windows 10. This is that Windows 10 is available on my laptop. Okay, so this is Windows 10 features. So see here, Windows 7 has become very popular because of its user-friendly environment. User-friendly environment means it is easy to use. Okay, Windows 7 has become very popular because of its user-friendly environment. The salient feature of Windows 7 are as follows. The salient features of Windows 7 are follows. First, it is easy to use and learn. Okay, it is easy to use and learn, faster, more reliable and secure. Okay, it is more reliable and secure. Second feature है better memory management. What do you understand by memory management? Memory management means it keeps track on information, that is where you are storing your files and folders. ठीक है, for example, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम ले लेते हैं कि आपको की क्लास 4th है. ठीक है, क्लास 5th है आपकी. सो आपको क्लास 5th के सारे डॉक्यूमेंट एक फोल्डर पे रखने हैं. क्लास 5th के अंदर बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स आप पढ़ते हैं, तो वो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स आपको एक फोल्डर बना के रखने होते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर, जैसे कि ये है क्लास 5th. ओके, वेट, this PC. So you can see here these are folders. ये म्यूजिक का, पिक्चर्स का, ये बहुत सारे फोल्डर्स हैं. इसके अंदर भी और फोल्डर्स है, जैसे मैंने बहुत सारे फोल्डर्स बना के रखे. यू कैन सी हियर कैमरा रोल, क्या कंप्यूटर, सेव्ड पिक्चर्स, स्क्रीनशॉट्स. तो ये सब क्या है, फोल्डर्स हैं. ओके, इसके अंदर वेरियस इमेजेस स्टोर्ड है ऑलरेडी. अंडरस्टैंड? सो ये क्या होता है, फोल्डर्स, यानी कि हम एक जगह एक बहुत अच्छे से फोल्डर्स बना के रखे हैं, फाइल्स को सेव करके रखे हैं फॉर इजीली एक्सेस. अंडरस्टैंड? फॉर इजीली एक्सेस. So this is about memory management. Understand? Now see next one. Next feature. More personal. You can redecorate your desktop with new themes, slide shows or handy gadgets. Okay. So it is more personal means you can redecorate your desktop with new themes, slide shows or handy gadgets. Now you can see here, you can change the wallpaper, you can change the theme, you can change the handy gadgets. Okay, so this feature is provided by the Windows. Okay, the next feature is jump list. Jump list in Windows 7 takes you right to the documents, pictures, songs or websites you use quite often simply by right clicking a program button on the taskbar. You can see this area. Okay, so this area is known as an taskbar. ठीक है, ये एरिया कौन सा होता है, ये नीचे वाला जहां पे आपको ये दिख रहा है इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर. यू कैन सी. ठीक है, ये फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स है, ईमेल का है, गूगल क्रोम, वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग. सो दीज आर नोन एज टास्क बार. ओके, तो जंप लिस्ट क्या होता है, जंप लिस्ट इन विंडोज 7 टेक्स यू राइट टू द डॉक्यूमेंट, पिक्चर्स, सॉन्ग्स और वेबसाइट्स you use quite often simply by right clicking a program button on the taskbar. Okay, so these are some programs button. By right clicking on this, for example, I am clicking at Firefox icon. Okay, so by right clicking on this, you can see the various list, and this list are known as jump list. Okay, this list are known as jump list in Windows 7. So मैंने यहाँ पे अभी कुछ रिसेंटली कुछ देर पहले मैंने YouTube खोला था, गूगल पे कुछ सर्च किया था, ठीक है, और ये कुछ वेबसाइट्स खोली थी और भी बहुत कुछ किया था। तो ये सब मेरी लिस्ट है, जो भी मैंने कंप्यूटर पे किया है वो यहाँ पे आके सेव हो चुकी है। जो भी इस प्रोग्राम में मतलब कि फायरफॉक्स से रिलेटेड प्रोग्राम्स में मैंने जो भी किया उनकी एक लिस्ट बन चुकी है। ओके, एंड दिस लिस्ट इज नोन एज अ जंप लिस्ट. ओके, एंड if you want to if you want to again visit on this site, if you want to again open YouTube, so you can directly click on it. Okay, and वो जो आपकी YouTube अगर आप खोलना चाहते हो तो आप यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली क्लिक करेंगे और वो YouTube खुल जाएगा. ओके, सो this is about jump list. I think this is I think now you understand what is jump list. Okay, a list of files in that programs pops up which you have recently opened. You can jump to any file by clicking on it in the list. Okay, if you want to jump to the any file, you can just simply click on this option, this list. You can just click on this. Okay, understand? Now see next feature. Okay, so ये भी हो गया, अभी हमारा कौन कौन सा complete हो चुका है? Okay, so we have completed this feature and this is also completed. Okay, now see next one. In Windows 7, you can pin favorite programs anywhere on the taskbar for easy access. Okay, pin मतलब if you want to use calculator again and again in many times. Okay, if you want to need any program, for example if you want to use tux paint, ठीक है, tux paint आपको बहुत बार यूज करना रहता है, so we can just right click on it and click on pin to taskbar. Okay, अब मैंने यहाँ पे कर दिया इसे pin to taskbar पे click. Now you can see here tux paint icon is showing in the taskbar. Okay, so in Windows 7 you can pin favorite programs anywhere on the taskbar for easy access. Now you can easily access the tux paint by directly clicking on this icon. Understand? You can see I'm just clicking on this icon and the tux paint program is open. Okay, so like this you can just click on the icon and you can open your any program. Yes, I am done. Okay, so now see next feature. In Windows 7, the thumbnail view of an open programs are available on the taskbar. Okay, in Windows 7, the thumbnail view of open programs are available on the taskbar. Move the mouse pointer over any thumbnail to preview it in full screen. Click it to open the program window. You can see here in the taskbar there are many icons are present. Okay, so but here you can see two icons, that is Internet Explorer and this files and folders icon. Okay, so you can see here when I move a cursor on it, okay, so it pop up a screen, a small screen. Okay, so this screen is known as thumbnail, and when I click on it, so it will open a new. Okay, when I click on it, it will open this screen in a full screen view. You can see here. So this is about thumbnail. In Windows 7, the thumbnail view of open programs are available. So जो thumbnail view होगा वो किसका होगा, वो only opens programs के लिए होता है. ठीक है, ये जो सारे हैं, ये सारे features, ये भी आपको टास्क बार पे दिख रहे हैं, लेकिन ये ओपन प्रोग्राम नहीं है, इनमें से कोई ओपन प्रोग्राम नहीं है। ओपन प्रोग्राम कौन सा है? जिसके ऊपर मैं माउस कर्सर लाऊंगी और वहां पे एक छोटी सी स्क्रीन पॉपअप होगी। ओके, सो यू कैन सी दिस टू आर ओपन प्रोग्राम्स। ओके, and by clicking on it you can just preview this screen on full size. Understand? So this is about thumbnail. Now see next feature. Windows provide the arrow pick feature that makes your window transparent with the show desktop button at the right end of the taskbar so that you may see your desktop. Second, next feature है maintains personalized work environment through multiple user support. Next one है lets you enjoy music, video and high definition games on your home PC. Supports global connectivity, receive and send email, view files and run programs on your computer from anywhere in the world. Supports global connectivity. Global connectivity means you can easily access your computer from anywhere. ठीक है, यहाँ से जाके जो कनेक्टिविटी की सेटिंग्स होती है, फ्रॉम दिस सेटिंग्स यू कैन जस्ट ग्लोबली कनेक्टेड योर पीसी. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल कि आप अभी कहीं जैसे कि ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन, मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम जस्ट कंसीडर अ सिचुएशन कि अगर आप अपने घर पे आप लैपटॉप भूल गए हैं और कब कहीं गए हैं बाहर, और आप बाहर लॉकडाउन में फंस गए, अब आपको अपने घर से काम पड़ा लैपटॉप का, सो यू कैन जस्ट इजिली एक्सेस योर लैपटॉप by this global connectivity functions. Okay, so this is about features of Windows 7. Okay, now see using desktop. The word desktop is derived from the real life desktop. Okay, desktop, the top of our working or study table, where you may find pen stand, notepad, calculator, files, etc. The desktop means desk. Desk means ये table. Okay, that is table. And ये इस टेबल के टॉप में आपने आपका कंप्यूटर रखा है. ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंड? सो ये क्या हुआ? डेस्कटॉप. सो इसे इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? डेस्कटॉप. अच्छा, लैपटॉप को लैपटॉप क्यों बोलते हैं? बिकॉज लैपटॉप कैन बी इजिली कैरी and easily keep on our lap. Okay, we will use laptop by keeping it on our lap. Okay, so that's why it is known as laptop. 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 So the word desktop is derived from the real life. The word desktop is derived from the real life desktop, the top of our working or study table, where you may find pen stand, notepad, calculator, files, etc. The desktop of Windows serves the same purpose. The desktop of Windows serves the same purpose. Here you can also find various icons like objects, shortcut icons, document icons, disk drive icons, etc. Okay, so here you can see start button. So this is start button of Windows 10. This is the this is start button of Windows 10, and here in this image you can see the start button of Windows 7. Okay, so this is quietly same, but there may be some difference, that is these buttons are available on 4 colors and there is no any color. Okay, so this is about start program. Okay, start button. The next one is you can see icons. ठीक है, ये क्या है? icons है ये सारे. See here. So these are known as icons. This is icon, this is icon, this is icon, this is icon. This all are known as an icon. Understand? And you can see the shortcut icon. Shortcut icon means how you can recognize what is which one is a shortcut icon. So you can just see this reversing arrow. ये रिवर्स दिख रहा है, एरो एरो अपनी ही तरफ है, ठीक है. सो ये क्या है, शॉर्टकट आइकन है. दिस इज नोन एज एन शॉर्टकट आइकन एंड दिस वन इज नोन एज द आइकन्स. अंडरस्टैंड? और एनी ऑब्जेक्ट. thumbnails of open application. You can see these are thumbnails of open application. मैं जहां जहां माउस कर्सर को मूव कर रही हूँ वही चीज आप लोगों को देखनी है, ठीक है. सो these are thumbnails of open application. जैसे ही मैं इस पे माउस कर्सर लाई हूँ, आप you can see two screens are pop up here. Okay, and when I will move the cursor on this top, so you can see this preview a new screen. Okay, it will preview a new screen. दिस वन इज नोन एज डेस्कटॉप. ये पूरा क्या है अपना, ये है डेस्कटॉप. इसको क्या बोलते हैं, ये एरिया जहाँ पे मैं माउस कर्सर अभी अपना घुमा रही हूँ, मूव कर रही हूँ, इसको क्या बोलेंगे, ये डेस्कटॉप है. दिस आर कंसिडर्ड एज एन आइकन एंड दिस इज नोन एज अ शॉर्ट आइकन बिकॉज यहाँ पे देखो आप एरो अपनी रिवर्स एरो बना हुआ है. सो दिस आर कंसिडर्ड एज एन शॉर्टकट आइकन. ओके, शॉर्टकट आइकन्स. दिस आर कंसिडर्ड एज एन thumbnail. And this area, this below area, bottom area is known as an taskbar. Okay, this bottom area of this desktop are considered as a taskbar. Understand? Now see taskbar. So taskbar, you will find the taskbar at the bottom of the screen that display the start button on the extreme left side. You can see extreme left side, this is the start button. You can see here. So this is the bottom area of this desktop of this screen, and at the bottom area at the extreme left side you can see the start button. Okay. The middle area of the taskbar is known as the quick launch bar. It is known as quick launch bar. It is a middle area of a taskbar which is also known as quick launch. Quick, wait na, which is also known as quick launch box. Quick launch bar, sorry. Where you can pin the programs by dragging the programs shortcut from the desktop or start menu. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप अपने जो भी प्रोग्राम्स है यू कैन डायरेक्टली इनको पिन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, और ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करके भी यहाँ पे इनको ला सकते हैं. ठीक है, अगर मेरे को इसको पिन करना है और अनपिन करना है सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली अनपिन. जैसे मैंने इसको आपको पिन करके दिखाया था, अभी मैं इसको टच पेन को अनपिन करती हूँ. अनपिन फ्रॉम दी टास्क बार. सो यू कैन सी ये यहाँ से रिमूव हो गया. ठीक है, अब मेरे को जैसे फिर से पिन करना होगा तो मैं यहाँ पे टक्स पेन सर्च कर लेती हूँ. टक्स पेन विंडोड. ठीक है, ये वाला. Tux Paint software produce and sound. It is very interactive. So pin to task bar. Now you can see the Tux Paint icon is, you can see that this icon on this task bar, which is also known as, this is a middle area, middle part of this task bar. So it is also known as quick launch bar, where you can pin the programs by dragging the program shortcut from the desktop or start menu. The programs that you have opened appear in the form of thumbnail buttons on it. You can see जो भी programs हमने open किए वो हमको as an thumbnail buttons के form में दिखेंगे. Okay. It holds the notification area on the right side, and you can see at the right side this area. ये जो area है जहाँ पे मैं अभी mouse cursor को move कर रही हूँ, you can see this area is known as notification area. Okay. This area known as notification area of task bar, which is present extreme right, which is present at the right side of this task bar. Okay, which include a clock and a group of icons that provide network connectivity, incoming mails, battery status, volume, action, center, etc. This icon represent the programs that are you loaded in ROM at the time of startup. Okay, these icons represent the program that are loaded in ROM at the time of startup. यहाँ पे जैसे कि आपको क्लॉक दिख रहा है आज की 15 जून 2020 है, अभी 8 o'clock हो रहा है, 8:25 टाइमिंग हो रही है, ठीक है। सो ये सब, ये साउंड है, यहाँ से आप अपने साउंड इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं, वॉल्यूम हाई एंड लो। ओके, सो ये सब जो है वो क्या होता है, ये नोटिफिकेशन एरिया ऑफ द टास्क बार। ओके, so student, that is enough for today. In our next class we will discuss next topic, that is about icons and Windows Explorer. Okay, so that is enough for today. So bye, take care and happy learning. Bye.